What I thought of the Australian car scene was that you guys are crazy. Didn't think it'd be that hard to understand Australian. I've had quite the lesson in that, and it's been really fun. You're a little lazy on some words, cutting them in half and adding a Y, but that makes it interesting. It's exceeded my expectations. The country is awesome. It's beautiful. Like when we were going to Cootamundra for drag battle, we had a blast at the bar at Cootamundra. It's awesome to party with everybody. If you're a car guy, you're just welcome to the family. And everyone's been great, you know, very hospitable and just asking me all the time, do you need anything? Are you good? You know, are you having a good time? And every time I say yes, I'm living the dream. Every shop we went to, they had 1,000 horsepower R something, R30 something, rolling on the dyno, you know, or sitting in the shop. It's all the shops we went to just had crazy cars. And it's awesome to see the street car, race car scene so alive here. When we first started talking, I told Andrew, before I leave the country, I have to hug a koala. Ooh, boy.
You can maybe go 2 here.
I'm gonna piss off a lot of people.
You don't say a Corvette, because that was just the wrong side of the road one.
You know, the best part, just like any other trip I go on, is the people I meet and the people I hang out with. And your crew reminds me a lot of our crew, you know. It's just one big family, and you guys just like to screw around, but you're serious about what you do. And you go do your thing, and you celebrate afterwards. Yeah, Vegemite was a little weird. Tim Tams are amazing. I will be back.
That is sick.
Australians are weird people.
No, just you. 1320 video is in Australia. We're here at Cootamundra. We're here at Cootamundra. We're at Cootamundra Airstrip for the Motive DVD Drag Challenge, GDR Challenge Drag Battle.